Welcome back to the doghouse, y'all. We're gonna do another model cars and coffee. I thank Paul over at Left Coast Model Car Builds for doing this. I like to do this on Sunday. Kind of get some old kits out and look at them. This is old original, built from the original kit. It's I cut it down and made a short bed out of it. It's got parts by parts moon disc on it, set of RE wheels and tires. I made the decals years ago when I had a Alps printer running. I don't remember the yellow. I like it though. It turned out good. It looks good on that old truck. It's a good clean. No, there wasn't nothing to these. I dirtied up the chassis. We dirtied up the chassis a little bit. I think wired the kit engine, the original kit engine, wired it up. And when you compare this to the new release, it's pretty deep. I should have got it out, but I didn't. I'll be right back. I'll ball that one in a second. I got this one out. Here's the new release. I done the same thing to it. It rolls too, by the way. Might roll off of there. It's going to. There's the new release. I just finished. Cut the bed down. Got the bed cover on it. It's about the same style engine. Cut the bed. Let me move this thing. You can see my messy paint booth. Gusty in there? Yeah, he's still in the picture. You just cut the bed in the back, in the front. You gotta make 2 cuts. But the same thing. I built this one. Fun build. I got a couple more of them. I'm gonna do another one. I want to put a Foose chassis up under one. There's my model cars and coffee for this Sunday. A couple 64 trucks for you. Y'all come back and see me. My videos kind of stink lately. I ain't took the time to do it. But there's that one. There you go. 2 64s. Oh, y'all come back. Remember what the kiddo says. Be happy and model on.